Shenzhen EcoRider Robotic Technology Company Limited, established in 2013, with 5 years professional export experience, is located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access. EcoRider is our new brand for market since 2016, with more than 20 workers and over 1,400 square meters workshop. We engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of electric scooter, including balance scooter, electric skateboard, foldable e-bike, Harley scooter and kick scooter, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has obtained 2 patents, design patent and utility patent. In addition, we have strict quality control, obtained CE certification. Our products with competitive price are exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, America, and Canada. We also welcome OEM and ODM models. Taking the great advantage of favorable location, EcoRider has rich experience in the market selection, technology developing, and quality control. EcoRider stands for ecology, conservation, and optimization. It means convenient green travel. Providing new fashion eco-robotic personal transporter is the goal for EcoRider. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirement. Looking forward to our cooperation in the near coming future.